You know the verb run, and now we're going to flip it up 3 ways. Run to, run towards, run into. Here we go.
I'm gonna run to the bathroom.
Run to. Well, the reason why this one is unique is we see to. To will signal a destination. You go to the store. You run to your parents when you're scared. So if we go all the way someplace with run to, what if I don't reach my destination? So run towards is run in the direction of, but we don't necessarily go all the way to there.
Run towards the explosion. Yeah.
Run into. We've got run into the literal way. And then there's run into the figurative way. Figuratively, run into would be an accidental encounter.
What if I run into him today?
Totally unplanned. So to sum up, run to, run from A to B. Run towards, run in the direction of, but there's no destination. Run into, to crash or to accidentally meet. If you like this video, please hit subscribe. See you next time.